This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, XM satellite radio, a locking rear differential, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, a rear window defroster, rear audio controls, and this vehicle has less than 57,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.